What's up guys, it's me Millie. So, today, in today's video, we're going to be doing some snow slime. I will be doing horrible slime. Oh. Right, so, this is what you use. PVA glue, clear shampoo, and Lenore. So, let's get started. So, first we're going to start with the snow slime. So, let's mix all the glue in. So guys, this is the glue. It's mixed in and it's stretchy. So let's just get it out. Take a swirl. It does rip kind of, but it's not thingy. The beads do fall out sometimes. And if you want it to be more clicky, add lotion. Oops, sorry guys. Add lotion. Or, hold on a minute. Or this shampoo. Or, no, yeah, shampoo. So it's clear. It's supposed to be clear to help your slime. How much you put in, then the overlap sections, so bring it together. Yeah, you keep slapping it. You'll feel the shampoo coming in. Yeah guys, it falls out. So my friend's recording it, or my cousin. This slime is a bit raindroppy, but it's good because it comes all together. So you just knead it. So you just do this. You would that. So then you get all the soap off it, and it will become really stretchy. So when you do that, so guys, you'll overlap the slime again. Oh, there's a bead, there's a bead, there's a bead, there's a bead. There's loads of beads. So guys, it's really clicky. Bit bubbles. Mix well. Then you do that. Then. I'm not the best slime maker, but I don't think I have the best slime. I don't have it. So this is the first slime. It's so nice to play with. You can put it in like a balloon, or it'd be like so nice. Sorry about the so guys. Yeah, I'll just shut it over. Oh, it's backing up there. So there guys, it's so stretchy. It's really nice to play with. And you can make loads of bubbles with it. See? So yeah, guys, also, if you want to go smash that subscribe button, hit the like if you like the slime, and yeah. So, yeah guys. comment down below which one's your favourite slime out of the two. So guys, the next slime is on.
Glass. Look out. Watch your back, look.
So guys, now we're going to move on to the big slime.
No lemonade.
Sorry about that, guys. Also, right, so I'm just going to get all of it out. Sorry if it takes ages. So guys, it's really clicky and it's very stretchy. So yeah guys, it's really stretchy. And guys, just add some shampoo. Then just mix, just wave it all over. Your hands will become really soapy to make the slime. It's like lotion, but it's not lotion. It'll make the slime not good for like a minute, but then it'll make it really nice like that. So guys, it's like that. I'm gonna make a bubble. Way. So guys, I'm just gonna take a little bit.
It's so simple. It is.
And it is very hard to pick up. Look.
Right on then.
So, I'm just gonna take some and spread that bit out. Then I'm gonna make like a swirl.
You hungry yet, Molly?
Yeah. So guys, it's very clicky. See? It'll make like bum cheeks. So yeah guys, this is it for this week's video. And if you liked it, smash that subscribe button. Comment down below what slime you like the best. So yeah, we love you so much guys. Slime, peace out.